In this video, we'll show you how to clean your PC the right way to keep it running cool, quiet, and fast. With just a few simple steps, you can remove performance-choking dust and grime without damaging your sensitive components. You'll need a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, a soft bristled brush, like a clean paintbrush or toothbrush, and 70% or higher isopropyl alcohol with cotton swabs for stubborn spots. Avoid using vacuum cleaners inside the case, as they can create static electricity that damages hardware. Start by shutting down your PC completely. Unplug the power cable from the wall and disconnect all peripherals like your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. For extra safety, press the PC's power button once while it's unplugged to drain any remaining electrical charge. Move your PC to a well-ventilated area, ideally outside or near a window. Remove the side panel of your case. Most modern cases use thumb screws, but you may need a screwdriver for older models. Set the panel aside on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use short, controlled bursts of compressed air to blow dust out of the interior. Start from the top and work your way down. Focus on the motherboard, RAM slots, and the bottom of the case. Use your soft brush to gently loosen any thick clumps of dust that the air can't move. Dust loves to hide in fan blades and cooling fins. When spraying fans with compressed air, hold the blades steady with a finger to prevent them from spinning too fast, which can damage the bearings. Pay close attention to the CPU cooler and the graphics card fans, as these are critical for keeping your system cool. Wipe down the outside of the case with a slightly damp microfiber cloth. For the front mesh or intake filters, remove them and blow them out with air or rinse them with water. Just make sure they are 100% dry before putting them back. Use a cotton swab with a bit of isopropyl alcohol to clean out USB ports and the power button area. Once the interior is spotless, slide the side panel back on and tighten the screws. Plug your cables back in and power on the machine. You should notice a quieter operation and lower temperatures immediately. To keep your PC in top shape, give it a quick dusting every 3 to 6 months. Keeping your PC off the carpet and on a desk can also significantly reduce the amount of dust it sucks in. With these simple steps, your PC will stay clean, fast, and reliable for years to come. Regular maintenance is the best way to protect your investment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech maintenance tips.